How to fix Huawei Mate 70 no notification sound. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on sound and vibration. And click on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and status bar. Now here you can turn on your notifications. After turning on your notifications, then go back and scroll down in last and click on system and updates. And then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.